Welcome back to the Devil Deets detailing channel, where today I'll be deep cleaning the engine bay of this Mini Cooper Clubman on this very cold and damp UK Saturday morning. As with most modern engines, the electronics in this engine bay either use waterproof clips or are hidden away snugly under plastic panels. So the only part I will be adding protection to is the alternator. Nothing revolutionary here, just a simple black bin liner for protection from the water and the chemicals I'm about to unleash on this BMW Mini engine. First off, I'm going to try to remove as much debris as possible by hand. Normally the debris that I find in an engine bay is made up of dead leaves and twigs, and as you can see, this Mini is no exception. Next, I use a degreaser on the inside of the bonnet or the hood for our American viewers. I'll also use the same degreaser on the engine bay and the engine itself. Today I'm using autoglym's engine and machine cleaner, and I really do like this product because it's non-corrosive, it's harmless to vinyls, rubbers and plastics, as well as the paintwork and metal. Plus it's also water soluble, so I can leave it to dwell for 10 minutes, let it break down the grease and grime, then I can simply rinse it off with the pressure washer. You can agitate it with a brush if you want to, but I won't be doing that today. I'll be simply spraying it on, leaving it to dwell, then rinsing it off. Next I'm going to lay down some snow foam, and I'll be using a range of detailing brushes to agitate all those little nooks and crannies and hard to reach areas. This should take care of any grease or grime that the degreaser failed to remove. I'm using the Built Amber Auto Foam here, which is the exact same snow foam that I use on car exteriors. Now that the engine bay has been dried off nicely and it's starting to look nice and clean, it's time to give the rubber and plastic some much needed nourishment. I'm using Autoglym's rubber and vinyl care, and no, I'm not sponsored by Autoglym. I spray this on quite generously and use a range of detailing brushes to work it into the plastic and work it into those sort of nooks and crannies that are really difficult to get to. I'll leave that then to sit for around 15 to 20 minutes so that it really soaks into the rubber and into the plastics, after which I'll just simply buff it off with a detailing cloth. While I'm buffing this off, I just wanted to quickly say a huge Thank you to everyone that's subscribed to my channel, and also to everyone that's liked and commented on my videos. The support has been truly amazing, so thank you. I do try to respond to every comment, so if you do have any questions, or maybe you've got a tip or a suggestion for me, then please feel free to drop a comment and let me know what's on your mind. And that's all from this episode. Be sure to stick around for the results, and thanks to everyone for watching. The support really does mean a lot. These videos really do take a lot of time, so hopefully they are interesting and helpful, and that's rewarding enough for me. Please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're alerted when I release new videos, which I'm trying to do every 1 to 2 weeks, time permitting. It really helps the channel when you do so. Take care until next time.